Day 3. Got a fair bit done yesterday. Got the front end back in, got the engine in. The engine mounts and stuff, nothing lined up, so there's lots of bashing and tweaking and stuff. The only reason I didn't get it down last night is I didn't get the cross member there in. I just got to tweak the front a bit, get that in, then I can sit it back down hopefully and get it fired back up. Should be very close to being ready for the panel work on the front by the end of today. So let's get into it.